Guys, I'm about to show you how I got this exact result on my phone and you can follow all the steps. I can't believe this is actually happening. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get this survivor.io hack and mod for both iOS and Android devices and how you can get unlimited gems and coins in survivor.io. It is super easy, guys. Just make sure you follow each and every step to get to this survivor.io mod. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and start with the tutorial. The first thing that I'll need you to do is, of course, update survivor.io to its latest version. So make sure you visit your App Store or your Google Play Store and check if the app needs any updates. If it does, make sure you update the app to its latest version, and if it doesn't, you're good to go and you can continue with all of the steps. Now guys, let's go ahead and head over to our next step, which includes preparing our phones. And to prepare your Android device, what I would need you to do is switch off your battery saver mode and make sure you have it switched off until the rest of the process is done. However, if you're an iOS user, what I would need you to do is head over to your settings app. What we want to do is go ahead and go back to our battery settings and switch off that low power mode. So guys, once you switch off the low power mode option, you need to go back and go to your general settings, then background app refresh, then again background app refresh, and switch it on for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Once you have your phone switched on like this, you'll be good to go and you can continue with all of the steps. Now guys, let's go ahead and head over to our next step, which includes opening our browsers. And you're allowed to use any browser you want to. I'm going to be using my Safari one right here. So let's go ahead and go to this website right here that you can see on the screen. Once you're on this website, guys, what I would like you to do is tap on this button right here. That will start the actual survivor.io hack. So as you can see right here, it is connecting with the servers of your app. And then once it does, guys, once it finds the app, it will show us the next step. However, guys, it won't be able to connect to your app unless you've updated the app, as I told you before, to its latest version. So make sure you've done that before you continued with any of the steps. Now, as you can see, it says select what resources you want to get, then click on continue. So what we want to do here is choose what we want to get. So we have the option of choosing getting only coins, only gems, or coins and gems. Of course, I'm getting both of them. Then once we've chosen what we want to get, we choose the amount we want to get, and then we tap on continue. Once we're done tapping on continue, it will start adding in the value that we wanted. And guys, this is not the whole process completed. We have one more step left to complete the whole process. And this last step is super easy if you follow everything I say. So just make sure you follow with all of the steps that I'll be showing you right now to get to the result that I showed you previously. So guys, what we want to be doing next is tapping on the button that will appear on the screen in just a few seconds. So as you can see right here, it is doing what it needs to be done, and then the button that we need to click will appear right here. So what we need to do right here is tap on this button right here, and then we are going to be redirected to this part right here. And then you need to choose if you're from the United States or you're from somewhere else. And then you have these tasks that you need to complete. So it says here, how do you complete this process? Click on the first button below, fill out the information the website asks you, confirm the registration, and come back and complete others. Now, as you can see, you need to complete at least 3 registrations from these tasks that you see below, and then you can get the amount that you wanted on your survivor.io app. Guys, it is very simple. Make sure you just follow the steps that I showed you previously, and that's basically it, guys. The whole process doesn't take more than 3 to 4 minutes of your time, so make sure you follow the steps, and that's it. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, and see you next time. Bye.